Have you ever wondered how Borrowell makes money? Ever since smartphones became an extension of our arms, financial apps have been popping up like crazy. From budgeting buddies to crypto trackers, there seems to be an app for everything, especially your credit score. One such app, Borrowell, offers free credit score monitoring and a bunch of other financial tools. But with all this free stuff, a question pops into your head: how exactly does Borrowell make money? Is there a catch? Are they secretly selling your data to the highest bidder? Don't worry, we're here to shed some light on Borrowell's business model and see if there's anything fishy going on. Let's face it, free credit scores are a goldmine in the personal finance world. They're a major concern for most people, and having them readily available on your phone is a big convenience. But convenience often comes at a cost. So, how does Borrowell use this free credit score strategy? Well, it all boils down to building trust and becoming your one-stop shop for all things financial. By offering this valuable information for free, Borrowell attracts a large user base. They then leverage this user data to connect you with financial products that might be a good fit for your unique credit profile and financial goals. Think of it like this: Borrowell acts as a financial matchmaker. They use your credit score and other information you provide, with your consent, of course, to recommend loans, savings accounts, credit cards, and other financial products from their partner network. Here's the key part: if you choose to apply for one of these recommended products, Borrowell earns a referral fee from the lender or issuer. It's a win-win situation. You get matched with potentially suitable financial products, and Borrowell gets a commission for facilitating the connection. Now, this might raise a concern: are these recommendations biased towards products that pay Borrowell the highest fees? That's a fair question. Borrowell claims they have a strict vetting process for their partner network, ensuring they only recommend reputable financial institutions and products that align with your financial goals. It's important to do your own research before applying for any financial product, regardless of where you find it. Read the fine print, compare interest rates and fees, and make sure it fits your budget. But Borrowell's free credit score and financial tools can be a valuable starting point, especially if you're financially savvy and know how to navigate different offers. Here's another interesting aspect of Borrowell's model: they also offer some premium features for a fee. These features might include credit monitoring with alerts, detailed credit reports, and even identity theft protection. This freemium approach caters to different user needs. If you just want a basic free credit score check, Borrowell's got you covered. But if you crave deeper insights and security features, you can upgrade to their premium plans. So, to answer our initial question, Borrowell makes money primarily through referral fees from partner financial institutions when you apply for products they recommend. They also offer premium features for an additional fee. Overall, Borrowell's freemium model provides a valuable service, free credit score monitoring, to attract users and then connects them with relevant financial products through a referral network. As with any financial tool, it's crucial to be aware of potential biases and do your own research before making any decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.